This is a remarkable thing about scorpions, is that they glow under ultraviolet. So here we've got it under normal torchlight, and I'll just bring, there you can see there's the scorpion, remove the torchlight. Obviously the camera can't pick up the true colors, but that's a bright luminous yellow underneath the ultraviolet light. And this one is now in ambush on a yellowwood tree, and Tiniqua yellowwood, which is the Aprocarpus falcatus, and it's just in one of the loose pieces of bark here, and it will just wait for a little insect to come in, and it will then grab it as it goes past. Here's another perspective using a different type of light. So once again we've got some white light here. Bring the ultraviolet in, you can see how the glow of that goes. Take the white light away. But yeah, that's quite a nice balance of the two. As I said, this is it's more yellow color when you look at it just on its own, which the camera can't quite pick up. So when you contemplate the evolutionary principle of this glow under ultraviolet, it is quite remarkable, because scorpions are primarily nocturnal. So the only thing is it couldn't be an advantage, it's just something that natural selection has selected for, in the absence of it being a negative factor. So nothing at night would be able to see it with the ultraviolet, so it wouldn't be an easy prey target.